Okay, ready? No.
No.
Hello. Say hi, Koa. Hi, Koa. What are we gonna cook today?
Hmm.
You wanna cook that one? Yeah. Whoa. It's too heavy. We're gonna. Yeah. What do you mean, how rude? We're gonna make some asparagus. Yeah. We're gonna make some asparagus. Yeah. Okay, let's. And then you're gonna make some mushrooms and salmon, your favorite fish. All right, so we got some pink salmon from the river. This was recently caught not too long ago. This was really just preference, but I like to really dry the salmon before I start cooking it. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, so really if you want to take care of the fish, um, you really want to bleed it out first. So if you want to scale it first, right? The reason why you scale it is so that you can get all the slime out of there, because that's what's going to make your fish very fishy. Fishy taste. All right. And very basic seasoning. It's really just salt and pepper. All right, so we're going to season it. Oh, too much. All right, be generous a little bit. Not too much. You don't want it to be too salty. So special sauce. I forgot if it had salt in it, but it doesn't. So this is all just dried ingredients. Pat, pat, pat. So make sure to pat the ingredients in there. So I'll go in there, flip it over, get that last seasoning on there. Right. Just gonna let that sit a little bit, get those seasoned in there, and I'm gonna cover it from the insects. What type of mushroom are these? What mushroom? We forgot what mushroom we got, but it looks delicious and it was cheap. So, but here are the mushroom. If you could tell which mushroom they are.
Oyster.
Oyster mushroom. These are oyster mushroom. I forgot what it was. Okay, so we got flame on. And now what we're gonna do is get the fish started first. I'm gonna put some oil. Just a little oil. Oh, don't, oh. Oh, that buck's gonna be on there. So still fresh, still slightly orange. More orange than normal pink. So um, some of the pink salmons that I'm catching right now in the river are already coloring up. So yeah. Of course, when you cook fish, I like to press down on it. Make sure that the skin doesn't curl. Just keep it down. And so it's ready to go. So what I'm going to do is, yes. Okay. I'll let that go in there for a bit. Get it cooking. It's already, you can probably see it. Now, put that up there. Next pink salmon. Ooh, very firm. Alright, again, you gotta keep it down. Make sure the skin doesn't curl a little bit. Good thing I'm wearing gloves because it's probably burning hot. Alright. Okay, still good, still good. Asparagus is done. Ooh. Okay, it's time to turn. think I burnt it a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah. Ooh. Let's use the angle, the side of the pan. Okay. Ooh, look at that. All right. That one's looking good. Oh, almost done, almost done. Okay, you gotta check this out. Wow, look at that. That looks good. Alright. Oh, oh shit. Ooh. That's not good. That is not good. Okay. You probably saw that flame. That's not good. Alright, so we got the salmon cook. That is not good. I thought that was like the fat on the side, but that was the propane. So, all right, switch is done. Excellent. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Hopefully the propane doesn't start lighting up again, but that is not good. So, but check out this finished product. Look at that. Wow. That looks good. That looks... hey, bug, get away. Wow. As you can see, I don't really season a lot. I'm very basic. I like to taste the flavor from everything, but you still need seasoning, so. Yeah. Now we can eat before dark. So we're not eating in the dark. Okay. Oh, this is perfect timing. Okay, look at all that butter. Woo!
No.
Go straight into my arteries.
Try it with some rice.
Try Koa. It's delicious. Hopefully. Mmm.
You try some salmon?
Pink salmon. Sit. Okay, eat. How about Wawa? Yay! Good job! Oh! Oh! Did you like it, Koa? Like that. Say hello. Did you like your food, dude? Say yes. Say yes. Better say it. No. Hold two hands. Up here. There, like that. Good job.
Another bite.
Okay, one more bite. Hold. Whoa!
Okay,
Yay! Good job! Yay! Woo! Good boy.